Spells.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe and join the #GrowTo squad. And if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch my new video. So as you can see from the title, this is the day 2 of my 7-day makeup challenge. If you don't know what 7-day makeup challenge is, it is when I pick 7 beauty YouTubers and I recreate one of their most colorful looks, because I said one of my goals this summer is to play with more colors as a dark skin girl. So this is day 2 and I'll be recreating one of Shantania Beckford's look. I'll leave a picture somewhere on the screen. So anyways, let's just get started. Like, there's literally nothing to say. And please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And also go on my Instagram. I'll upload a picture. Please tag Shantania Beckford in the picture and the video. So let's get started. So here's the finished look. I hope it's similar to Shantania's one. Please don't forget to tag Shantania in my Instagram post. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink some water and mind your business. And please subscribe because I have another look and another YouTuber coming tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.